How to create 2-column and 3-column list in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. These are my bullet list and I want to make it column. What you can do is click on Show Hide button at the top. After you've clicked on it, you'll find the buttons in all of your list. Make sure the last button is at the bottom. After that, select all the words. Make sure it's not bullets. After you have selected, go to Layouts and then click on Columns. Click on 2 or 3 column as you want. After you have pressed on it, you will find columns. After that, simply press on Enter and Show Hide button will be removed. After that, you're good to go. This is how to create 2-column and 3-column list in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.